Good morning, everyone. My name is Jude Baradas, and now I'm going to present about business model canvas for goat farming in Nara, Palawan. Goat farming is a profitable and sustainable agribusiness because of the growing demand for goat meat or chiffon and its adaptability to local conditions. Business model canvas for goat farming in Nara, Palawan. Number one, customer segments. Local consumer, household seeking fresh and healthy goat meat. Restaurant and eateries, local food business that serve goat dishes, example, calderita or papaitan. Pwede po dito sa restaurant and eateries ang maging customer segments natin. Tulad po ng example ng Ate M's Carinderia. And then next is hotel or resort establishment catering to tourists offering specialty dishes using goat meat. Meat vendors, resellers in Nara local market and neighboring municipalities. Pwede rin po natin maging customer yung mga meat vendors yung nasa public market, yung nasa wet market po. Next is the special events catering services. Supplier for events like fiestas, wedding, and birthdays. The number two is the value propositions. Fresh and quality goat meat, direct supply of fresh goat meat from the nearby places. Locally accessible product, reduce importation of goat meat from other towns and province. Next is the production that is sustainable. Locally available resources on feeding and management. The price is very affordable and will be competitive for consumers as well as businesses. The next is reaching the customer, prompt delivery and pick-up option from their doorstep. Next number 3 is the channel, local market stalls, selling directly in Nara public market. Sa channel naman po natin, pwede nating i-direct na i-sell yung ating meat directly po sa public market o kukuha po tayo ng stall doon sa wet market. Home delivery, for homes and businesses ordering fresh goat meat. Pwede rin po tayong mag-deliver ng door to door. Halimbawa, order lang sila sa atin online and then i-deliver natin sa kanila sa bahay mismo nila. The next is online channel, sales through Facebook, Marketplace, or other social media sites and groups. Tulad po ng pagbenta sa Facebook o pagbenta online. Regular supply contracts with restaurant and catering businesses. Halimbawa po nito, meron tayong kukuha tayo ng regular ng contract doon sa Ate M's, example Ate M's Carinderia, one of the biggest siya po isa sa may pinakamaraming pag-aari na restaurant dito sa bayan ng Nara. Pwede po tayo magkaroon ng kontrata sa kanya na magsusupply po tayo regularly. And number 4 is customer relationship, personalized service. A good relationship is developed with the local customer base by direct communication and establishing trust. And then next is customer feedback, periodical engagement of customers for product quality and service feedback. The number 4 in customer relationship is consistent supply. The customers is ensured by being in time for supply demands to establish trust. Ibig sabihin ng consistent supply, magiging consistent po tayo sa ating supply, dadating po siya on time or hindi po natin papaasahin yung customer para hindi po sila makompromise sa kanilang mga customers din nakakain sa kanilang restaurant. After sales support, customers are satisfied with products by corresponding to their issues post-sale. Next, number 5 is the revenue streams. Direct sales to fresh goat meat per kilogram to household and commercial business. Pwede naman po tayo mag-direct sales dito po sa revenue streams. In book orders, this includes income from supply to restaurant, caterers, and meat vendors. Pwede naman po sila magpa-book ng order o advance order. Next is the live goat sale. Selling the live goats to farmers o buyer during festive seasons. Pwede na, sa revenue streams natin, pwede na po tayo magbenta ng live goat para po sa mga gustong mag-breed o bibili ng inahin at saka ng parako para sila naman ang magre-raise ng goat para sa kanilang sarili or for business purposes. Value-added product. This is potential future income from goat-based products like goat milks or processed meat. Dito naman sa value-added products, nakikita ko, pwede tayo siguro sa processed meat o tinatawag na tapa o yung binilad. Kung may flavor na siya, pwede natin siya ilagay sa pouch na may flavor na, marinated. And then next is the key sources, land, Grazing area and shelter for goats. Sa key sources natin ay pinakauna ay land. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng lupa. Grazing area and shelter for the goats. Grazing area yung saan pwede doon natin sila pwede ipastol. And shelter for the goats, pagtatayuan natin ang kanilang shelter. And next is goat breeds, quality goat breeds like Boer, Kalahari Red, or native goats for meat production. Nakikita ko dito, for meat production lang naman tayo. Mas maganda alagaan natin yung native goats for meat production. Kasi ang native goat kasi, native na siya dito sa Pilipinas. Kumbaga na-adapt niya na yung weather kung anong merong weather dito, pabago-bagong weather dito sa atin. Kaya medyo makakaiwas tayo sa mataas na maintenance para doon sa kanilang pagkakasakit. May iwasan natin pagkakasakit kasi nga native na siya. Labor, skilled worker for feeding, cleaning, and health monitoring. Kailangan din siyempre natin ng skilled worker. Yung mga sanay para doon sa mga naglilinis, kailangan din natin linisin yung shelter ng ating goat. Kasi we all know that goat is madali po siyang ma-stress. Feeding and water system, tools and resources for sustainable feeding practices. Siguro gagamit tayo ng magandang feeding sa mga goat kasi meron ako based on my research, meron pong para sa water system ng goats na ilalagay lang natin directly na po yung kung saan na makakarga ng tubig. At saka sa kanilang pagkain naman, lalagay tayo ng lalagyanan ng feeds. Based on my research, may some goats na kumakain po sila nung darak ng mais. And then, next is the capital for purchasing goats, building facilities, and operational cost. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng capital para sa pag-purchase ng goats, ng inahin at saka ng barako natin. Building facilities para sa kukulungan ng ating mga kambing at operational cost. Partnerships, local supplier for goat feeds and veterinary services. Kailangan natin magkaroon ng partnership dun sa mga supplier ng feeds at saka ng mga vitamins. Like for example, mga suppliers is Kuya Beans. And then number 7 is the key activities, goat breeding and farming, breed management, feeding, and goat health management. Ito na po yung pagbe-breed, tamang pagbe-breed ng ating mga goat, pagpapakain, and health management. Siyempre, mayroon tayong regular vaccine. And then next is meat production, processing and delivering high quality goat meat. Siyempre, mayroon pong processing para sa tamang pag-deliver ng goat meat. Kung halimbawa, medyo malayo yan, de-deliver pa natin for an hour. Kailangan po natin siguro na kahit maliit lang na ice box. And then, para po sa mga processed meat natin, kailangan po natin ng freezer. Marketing and sales, promoting products through local markets and online platforms. Pwede naman po tayo mag-promote directly sa palengke. Doon natin mag-sales stock para sa ating goat meat. And then, online platforms, pwede na po ito sa Facebook or chat through Messenger. Customer service, ensuring smooth transaction and deliveries. Kailangan masigurado natin na pag umorder ng customers, madideliver agad yung wala nang marami pang ibang gagawin, wala nang iba pang sasabihin. Pag-order ng customers, alamin natin yung address, deliver agad. Record keeping, monitoring production cost, sales, and goat health. Sa key additives, isa ay ang record keeping. Kailangan natin ma-monitor yung production cost, kung magkano may inastos natin sa kambing, at kung magkano ang ating mabibenta or kikitain. And then ang goat health, siyempre kalusugan ng kambing para maiwasan yung mag-spread ng isang disease. Halimbawa, yung isang kambing ay may sakit. Pwede na natin siya i-quarantine o ihiwalay natin doon sa mga kambing na iba para yung possible disease ay hindi mag-spread. Key partnership, feed suppliers, local business providing cost-effective and sustainable goat feed. Ito pa nga example binigay ko kanina, yung Kuya Beans, ito sa mga feed suppliers. Veterinarians, ensuring goat health and vaccination to prevent disease. Restaurant and caterers partnership for regular book orders. Ito nga po tulad ng Ate Emma's Restaurant. Local government, agricultural office, funding for the supporting farmers program and technical training. And then, market vendors, resellers who distribute goat meat in nearby areas. Cost structure, goat procurement, initial stock purchase, farm infrastructure, goat housing, fencing, and water system cost. Sa cost structure, kailangan po simple natin farm infrastructure. Gaya ng goat housing, kailangan siyempre po may shelter yung kambing natin kasi hindi po sila pwede mabasa. Kasi magkakasakit po sila. Fencing, yung mga bakod ng kambing natin para hindi naman sila makawala at para hindi sila makaperwisyo sa ibang tanim. And then, health maintenance cost. And then, ongoing feeding and health maintenance. Siyempre, pag nag-alaga po tayo ng kambing, may ongoing feeding and health maintenance cost po tayo. Hindi naman po pwedeng pag-alaga natin ng kambing, yun na lang yun, wala na tayo ibang gagastusin. Labor wages, remuneration of workers working on the farm, transportation, delivery cost to get goat meat to the customer. Siyempre, pag nag-deliver tayo ng goat meat, hindi naman pwedeng lakarin lang natin, halimbawa nasa palengke pa at nasa bukid pa yung mga goat natin, siyempre kasama mayroon pang transportation cost yun, tulad ng fuel natin kung sa atin yung sasakyan. And then veterinary services, vaccination, and health check-ups, ito po dapat magkaroon tayo ng regular na veterinary services, vaccination, and health check-ups para po sa kalusugan ng ating mga alagang kambing. And then next is the marketing and promotion, online advertisement, brochure or signage for promotion. Sa online advertisement, hindi naman po ganun kagastos. Pwede na tayo mag-post sa Facebook. We all know na most of us, like mga customers natin, engage naman po sa social media tulad ng Facebook, brochures or signages for promotion. Halimbawa, nasa loob ng yung bukid natin, nasa loob pa, pwede tayo maglagay sa kanto na malapit sa highway na signages o tarpaulin for promotion. Halimbawa, 3 kilometers ahead, may nagbibinta ng kambing sa unahan. And then, explanation of the canvas. This model focuses on addressing the shortage of goat meat in Nara, Palawan, providing local households, restaurants, and businesses with fresh, high-quality goat meat. Yung model na to, para ma-solve natin yung shortage ng goat meat in Nara, palagi po ako na pumupunta sa palengke para bumili po ng mga sari-saring meat. At talaga pong halos wala pong binibintang goat meat sa palengke dito sa ating dito sa ating wet market, kahit po natabuan. By leveraging local partnership, we can reduce operational cost and build trust with the customer. Simple, magkakaroon po tayo ng partnership. Halimbawa, we can reduce the operational cost and build trust with the customer. Halimbawa, sa Kuya Beans, pwede naman tayo kung halimbawa meron silang pag nag-isukin na tayo, pre-delivery na po yung feeds natin o kaya mga vitamins para makaiwas na po tayo sa transportation cost. And the next is value created through consistent quality, affordability, and convenience for customers. Magkaroon po tayo ng smooth transaction, on-time delivery sa mga book orders po natin o kaya laging fresh po, maging consistent po tayo, laging fresh yung ating goat meat. Over time, there is space to expand the business through goat-based products such as milk or processed meat in order to increase revenue streams. Dito po siguro sa tututukan lang po natin dito yung processed meats in order to increase revenue streams. Yun na nga po sabi ko, yung pwede natin siya i-marinate, lagyan na natin siya ng flavor, and then ilagay natin sa packaging. And then gawin natin siyang frozen meat para yun na ibenta natin. Ready to cook na po siya. Lagyan na natin ng konting preservatives. And then is this agribusiness idea taps into a real need in our community and ensure profitability and sustainability. That's all po. Thank you.